In the echoing halls of history, some whispers turn into thunder and others reshape nations with a mere breath. In the heart of a land divided by suspicion and loyalty, there once lived a storyteller, a weaver of tales that dance between truth and fiction. This is a time when stories carried the weight of swords and words shaped destinies. She was known as Aisling, a name that meant dream in the old tongue. Her voice could spin silken threads, binding together the hopes and fears of the people who gathered around her fireside. By day she was but a shadow among the bustling markets, but come night she became the guardian of stories, the keeper of truths not yet spoken. One evening, beneath a moon shrouded in the veils of clouds, she spoke of an ancient prophecy. It foretold the rise of a leader who would unite the fractured lands, bringing peace and prosperity. The prophecy was known to many, but none had ever given it life as she did. Her words, like a gentle breeze, slipped into the ears of those who listened, igniting imaginations and stirring hearts. Unbeknownst to her, among the crowd sat a figure cloaked in secrecy, a man whose ambition smouldered like embers. He heard Aisling's tale not as a legend, but as a call to arms. His heart, already restless, now beat with a fervour fuelled by her vision. Driven by dreams of power, he set forth to claim what he believed was his destiny. The land, caught in the grips of drought and despair, was ripe for change. The man's charisma and Aisling's whispered tales danced together, weaving a tapestry of hope and revolution. Yet, in the quest for unity, the shadows of greed and ambition lurked, growing ever darker. As the people's spirit soared with promises of a brighter future, the very fabric of the nation began to tear. The whisper intended to heal now threatened to fracture, and a question lingered: was Aisling's tale a blessing or a curse? In the end, as battles raged and alliances shifted, Aisling watched from the edges the flickering flames of her fireside, now dimmed by the storm she unknowingly unleashed. Her whispers, once so potent, now floated like ghosts on the winds, a reminder that even the softest words can hold the power to divide. And so, the irony of her story remains that the dream for unity could become the very thing that drove them apart. We are left to wonder who truly writes the fate of nations, the storyteller or those who choose to believe.